Good morning, Sean.
Good morning.
Happy Friday, everyone. We are back with another video for you. And Sean, I have a question for you today, and that is, what is the difference in a physical network versus a virtual LAN?
So a physical network is what we're all typically used to working off of. It connects your computers to each other, to the servers, and eventually out to the internet through the firewall. A virtual LAN takes what we're used to using and takes it a step further and allows us to use a single piece of hardware to separate various networks. So on a flat network, we use just a single switch or multiple switches to connect everybody to each other. On a virtual network, it allows us to separate various devices from each other. And what that really does is helps us provide more security to the network by separating out, say, point of sale or your research and development networks, so that not everybody has access to those specific networks that need to be a little bit more secure. Or it allows us to separate out guest networks from your regular staff so that they don't have access to your servers and various workstations.
Okay, great. So how do we know when to use which?
Well, it all depends on what your application is. If you're, say, a law firm that just needs everybody to have access to the servers and there's no need for secure separation, then a flat physical network is a great option for you, and it can be expanded infinitely almost. Whereas a virtual network, while it can still be expanded infinitely, it has better applications to when you need to separate things for security purposes, such as not giving guests access to your main network, or separating out your research and development department from everybody else so that they can keep their security and all of your IP, your intellectual property, safe and secure. Or if you've got point of sale systems that require credit cards to be scanned, for PCI compliance, you have to have those networks separated.
All right. This is great information. Thanks for sharing with us, Sean, and have a great weekend, everybody.